Today let's make a video how we do the paperwork when sending parcel via DHL. There are two different ways of sending parcels. One is document, one is non-document. First, let's talk about the document one. In the document, sending document, we have 3 barcode, and there is another one with 1 barcode. The 3 barcode, one goes in the parcel or attached to the parcel like this, and the one with the 1 barcode hand it to the driver. That's it. Thank you very much for document 1. Now let's talk about the non-document ones. Likewise, in document 1 we have 3 barcode, and in the non-document we have invoice as well. That is the main difference with non-documents and documents. So the invoice goes behind the 3 barcode like this, and we need to write down the name of the sender and signature as well. And this one goes behind this 3 barcode one, and we can attach in the box and seal it. Another one with the 1 barcode with the invoice, and then it goes like this, and hand it to the driver.